Multiplication table of 5. Today we will learn multiplication table of 5 and how to find the multiplication table of large numbers by using the multiplication table of small numbers.
35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
What are you counting,
40.
Vandana?
I am counting the minutes in the clock. You interrupted me and now I've forgotten. I was finding out how many minutes have passed.
How are you counting the minutes?
Look at the numbers on the clock. The small marking in between them tell the minutes. These have to be counted to find out the minutes.
Hey Vandana, you don't need to count.
Then how will we find out how many minutes have passed?
I use the multiplication table of 5.
What is the relation between counting minutes and multiplication table of 5?
There is a direct relation. See, the difference between all these numbers is 5. And the difference between the numbers in the multiplication table of 5 is also 5.
If it is so easy, why don't you tell how many minutes is it showing in the clock?
Look, the minute hand on the 10 right now, this means it is 50 minutes.
How?
Look at the multiplication table of 5. 5 times 10 is 50. In the multiplication table of 5, 5 multiplies by 10 is 50.
I also know the multiplication table of 5, but I never thought that it can be used to find the minutes.
Now you can also use the multiplication table of 5 like me to see the minutes. You do not have to count the minutes one by one.
Yes, I will do this now. But how did you write the multiplication table of 5?
The multiplication table of 4 is written by adding 4 repeatedly. In the same way, multiplication table of 5 is written by adding 5 repeatedly.
But I used the multiplication tables of 2 and 3 to write the table of 5.
How do you write the multiplication table of 5 with the help of tables of 2 and 3?
Let me show you how to write the multiplication table of 5 using tables of 2 and 3.
Show.
Look, this is the multiplication table of 2 and this is the multiplication table of 3. Now I will write the table of 5 using these.
Wait, first I will write the multiplication table of 5 as well. It will be easy to check if you are writing it correctly or not.
See, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 and 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Add 2 and 3, the answer is 5. So we write 5 multiplied by 1 is 5.
I don't think we can find the next number similarly.
We can find it exactly like this. Look, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. If 4 and 6 are added, the answer will be 10. This means that 5 multiplied by 2 will be 10. Tell me, isn't it right?
Oh wow! Then we can find the third number in the multiplication table of 5 by adding the third numbers 6 and 9 in the multiplication tables of 2 and 3, which will be 15.
In this way, we can find the complete multiplication table of 5 by adding the numbers from the multiplication tables of 2 and 3.
Now I have understood. To find out the multiplication table of large numbers, we can use the multiplication tables of smaller numbers.
Yes, I have also understood. Now I will try to memorize the multiplication table of 5 by reciting it. 5 ones are 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. 5 4 is 20. 5 5 is 25. 5 6 is 30. 5 7 is 35. 5 8 is 40. 5 9 is 45. 5 10 is 50.
Yes, now look at the clock. When the minute hand is at 6, reading the multiplication table of 5 till 6 will tell that it is 30 minutes.
And when it's on 9, it will be 45 minutes.
Yes, this is the right way to read time. Today we have learned multiplication table of 5 and also got to know that To find the multiplication table of large numbers, you can use the multiplication table of small numbers. Like Vandana used the multiplication tables of 3 and 2 to find out the multiplication table of 5.